Chapter 1. 20 Minutes with Mrs.Oakentubb. Question. Number Darmal Run. Explain the importance of the label on Mrs. Oakentubb's suitcase. Why does she hide it? Ants. The label on Mrs. Oakentubb's suitcase carries the basic importance in the play because if the stranger had not seen the name label, he could not have recognized that the lady was killer of his family and she was not murdered. She hides the label so that she may not be identified because she killed the wife and daughter of the stranger in a motor accident.
Question 2. At what point in the play do we become certain that the man knows that the woman in the waiting room is Mrs. Oakentubb, when in fact, do you think he discovered her identity? Ants. The writer keeps the reader in suspense in the great part of the play, but at the end we come to know that the woman who was in waiting room was Judy Oakentubb. I think he recognized her in the very beginning by seeing the name label on her suitcase, so he discussed a topic that related to Mrs. Oakentubb's past. Q.3. When is the audience likely to begin to suspect that she might be Mrs. Oakentubb? Ans, the audience began to suspect when she covered the label under the flap of her suitcase. Q4. What motive has man for murdering her? Ans, the stranger did not call it an accident. He called it a deliberate murder. The reason of it is that Mrs. Oakentubb drove her care at the speed of 50 miles per hour in a very thickly populated area. She also tried to overtake a bus, and suddenly she saw a lorry coming from the opposite direction. She at once tried to save her own life and killed his wife and daughter. That is why he takes revenge by murdering her. Q5. Why in your opinion does the author make the porter a humorous character? Ans. A melodrama is full of tension, and this tense situation continues throughout the play. Therefore, the author introduced the humorous character of Porter just to relax the intensity of the play. Q6. Write a brief character sketch of Mrs. Oakentubb. Ans. Mr. Oakentubb is a very clever and cruel-hearted woman. She is living a happy life. She killed the wife and daughter of the man while driving her car in a very rash manner to win a bet. But when she faces the man in the waiting room of the railway station, she knows him to be husband of the woman whom she had killed. Mrs. Oakentubb acts well and pretends that she is very sad over the death of his family and wants to die. In fact, she was not sincere in the expression of her sorrow, so the man, seeing her cunningness, shot her. Q7. What crime was committed by Judy Oakentubb? Ans. Judy Oakentubb committed a crime of murder. She killed the wife and daughter of the man who was along with her in the waiting room. Q8. Describe the event of accident in which Mrs. Oakentubb killed the wife and daughter of the man. Ans. Judy Oakentubb was driving her car very fast to win the bet of £5. While overtaking a bus on a blind bend, she saw a lorry coming from the other way. Therefore, she chose to save herself and moved her car to the pavement and killed the wife and daughter of the man. Q9. How did Mrs. Oakentubb try to get rid of the revenge of the man in the waiting room? Ans. Mrs. Oakentubb tried her best to get rid of the revenge of the man. She lied to him about her agony which she would bear in her whole life, so she begged him to kill her, but he decided to allow her to live. Finally, she was exposed and killed by the man. Q10. How is the life of man changed after the short meeting with a girl? Ans. Once the man had a road accident in which he was wounded and he did not want to live. When he was by the roadside, a Korean girl saw him and smiled. He also smiled. She also smiled back. After that short meeting, the man had changed his mind, and now he wanted to live to take revenge of her family as he remembered his daughter